In this video, I'll show you how to invite someone to your Meta Ads account. Let's get right into it. So right now I am on the Meta Ads Manager page. And from here, the first two things that you will need before you can even invite someone. One, you will need a business portfolio. If you don't already have one, you can hit create a business portfolio down here and you should be able to do that. And you'll also need an ad account. When you set up your business portfolio, it should give you an option to create an ad account. So first two things that you'll need is that. Once you do that, then you will go down here to the business settings with the gear icon in the bottom left. We'll tap that and it'll take you to a page like this. Now under users and people, you can go to invite people and you put in whatever email address you want to invite. And we'll hit next. And from here, you'll need to give most people full control in order to actually manage the ads. The advanced options down here usually don't matter too much, so we'll just get past that and hit next. Now the important part, this is where you select what you're giving access to. So we're going to go to add accounts here. And as you can see, I have an ad account under this business portfolio. We will check that and then we'll hit full control as well. We'll hit next and it will just give you a recap of who you're adding to the business portfolio and what you're giving them access to. Then you'll hit send an invitation. They will receive an email immediately. And once they accept that email, they will be able to manage your ads. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and you guys have a great day.